Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, it's quick news. A nice little summary of some of the automotive news from the last few days, so let's get started. We'll start with Ford and the F-150 Raptor, as well as the Tremor. Well, we have leaks of what the pricing will be for their base models. Now, the Raptor, it's basically the king of the croft when it comes to off-road factory pickup trucks, unless you count the Ram TRX. But the F-150 redesigned off the brand new F-150 platform. Nice bold styling. It's the most off-road capable as well as the most luxurious Raptor ever made. So a base model supposedly will cost $65,840. That's including the destination charge. And we know that now this new Raptor is only going to come in a Super Crew, which is their long four-door model. No more extended cab, so I'm sorry for those extended cab fans. I kind of like them myself. But that's cool that we finally have a base price model for that. Now the Tremor. Now the Tremor is basically going to be one tier below this vehicle. It's basically one tier above the FX4 package. So you're getting a lift kit, you're getting different skid plates, a nice different bumper up front with a big skid plate, some other off-road goodies. That is going to start off at about $51,200, and that model will only come in a Super Crew as well, and you can only get the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. So sorry, you can't get the V8, you can't get the smaller EcoBoost engine. That one engine only, but it's cool to have another off-road option for you. If you're someone that might do some off-roading, but you're not going to spend that Raptor money, you want something that's a little different, unique. It does have some nice exterior styling. So it's cool that we finally got those base prices. Now let's go to Jeep for a second here, guys. Now the Jeep 4xe is their hybrid model. I've talked about it plenty of times before, but now Jeep is offering a lift kit. And it's cool, it comes with this nice little wooden crate for you guys. It's about a 2-inch lift. Now that kit's going to cost about $1,495 to give your Jeep a nice little 2-inch lift. They also have an at-home charger for it. And it's cool to have that too. That system's about a little under $650. So now you can go at home, plug your Jeep in, and get that 21 miles of pure electric range. Now let's talk about Honda for a second, guys. Honda introduced the 2022 Honda Civic. The Civic is a great seller for Honda for many, many years, all the way since 1973. This new generation Honda Civic is stiffer, as a much more compliant ride, while still being sporty and fun. They pumped in a bunch of tech in here, guys. We have a fully digital gauge cluster, an 8-inch screen on the interior. The interior has been more redefined. It's more luxurious than ever before. So it's cool to see that the Civic is growing up. And I actually made a full video on the Civic. So if you want to know more about it, see it more in detail, please check that out. I'll leave in the description down below. And one last thing before we go today, a little teaser for you guys. I actually purchased the Jeep Cherokee project. That's the green Jeep Cherokee. I made a bunch of videos on it before, but now it's officially mine. I'm not sharing it with my dad anymore. So expect a bunch of videos on that in the next few weeks coming up. Nice little teaser for you guys. But that's all I had for you guys. That's the quick news for today, so I thank you guys for watching. But if you haven't already and you want to, check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. It's about cars, trucks, crossovers and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs, a little of everything. But please, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you guys for watching. And I'll see you all in the next one.